Whether you're a developer building data pipelines or an analyst collecting leads, Minexa.ai turns websites into structured datasets in just minutes, making review aggregation from Trustpilot.com effortless and fast. Open your target page on Trustpilot.com. Minexa.ai locks onto the right data section, even with repeated or nested content. Open the Minexa.ai Chrome extension. This is where you start extracting data from any web page in seconds. Hit the button so Minexa.ai can separate the main content from headers, sidebars, and footers, analyzing the review aggregation list. Your scraper now goes beyond page 1. Minexa.ai detected the navigation and will handle all pages automatically. Choose List Only for faster scraping and lower credit use, or Detail Pages for full content behind each row. Most pages only need Continue. Switch to Advanced mode if the site changes depending on your actions. Click Create Scraper. No manual field setup is needed at this stage, letting Minexa.ai identify the data container automatically. Your full data structure is ready. Minexa.ai identified customer reviews, seller feedback, dates, ratings, and comments for review aggregation, ready to reuse every time. Click API Request to get code that handles multiple URL groups in one request, while returning all review data in a single structured output. Looks good. Click Complete Configuration to save your scraper and continue. All pages are set. Your scraper will collect everything across all results on every run automatically. Your job is one click away. Connect Google Sheets here if you want automatic results updates before confirming. Click Run. Every job produces clean, structured data ready for direct use in analytics or ETL systems. What you see was pulled directly from the right spot on the page. Each column is locked to specific elements so dates, ratings, and comments never get mixed. Missing fields show blank rather than guessed, ensuring consistent results every run. Download the dataset. Column names match those set during training, keeping everything perfectly aligned across runs. The same scraper works from one page to millions. No logic changes or rebuilding needed. Just consistent data at any scale.